Hey guys, yesterday I talked about OpenSea, but today I wanted to actually show it to you. So I'm going to just go through the process of minting an NFT on the Polygon network. Okay, so this is my profile on OpenSea, and I'm going to hit create right here. And I'm going to pick which image to use. I'm going to use this horrible one that an AI popped out. And I didn't think through the typing thing. I can't hold my phone and type at the same time. But anyway, so now I'm going to pick a collection and it's going to go in here. And I'm going to change the blockchain to Polygon and hit create. So now you can see that it's been minted, but it's just going to stay on my account for now, unless I decide to sell it, which on Polygon is free to list without any gas fees. So you just put in a price, and it's in Ethereum, since Polygon doesn't really use a different one, at least not on here. And you select a date range. I'm just going to leave it at where it is and complete the listing. And then it's going to ask you to sign on MetaMask, which will eventually show up. There we go. And there it is. It's listed. Thanks for watching. Bye.